Hey Rojo, what does it mean when your car misfires?
Just technically saying that you having a cylinder that's not working. That's everything this meaning. What is it? It could be a lot of things. It could be a spark plug, it could be coils, could be compression, it could be like fuel mixture related problem. There's a lot of things that can create a misfire, but the only thing is saying that one of your cylinders or multiple of your cylinders are not working correctly.
Hey Joe, what does it mean when your car misfires?
Cylinder is misfiring. It depends, but for the most part, it's just there's no combustion in that cylinder. So it could be related to timing, fuel, compression, spark, a lot of other things. But we can test it out and figure it out for you.